Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I will be teaching you how to buy a prepaid power on your phone without visiting any netco or ECG office. So let's start. With this method, you can use both Android smartphone or keypad phone. So let's start. Dial star 914 hash and choose option 1 power. Here choose option 1, enter meter number. Here you enter your meter number. I've already copied my meter number, so I will paste it here. You can find this meter number on your meter or sometimes on your receipt. Yeah, when you buy a prepaid and that receipt that they will give it to you, you'll find your meter number on it. So send. So here it will show you your meter name. My meter name is Mariam Abbas, and here you enter the amount. Make sure that the name is correct. Your meter name, that your meter name is has appeared here. So let's enter amount. Because of this tutorial, I will just enter 2 cities, and here you choose the number that you used to make the payment. The number that you used to make the payment, either your own number or other number. So I will dial my own number so that the prompt will come on my number. So here you will check the meter number. The amount is 2 cd and my number has appeared here. So I will choose option 1, yes. So now let's wait for the prompts. It's like the prompt is not coming, so let's go to approvals and see. You see, so cancel and let's go to approval. Go to my approval. You enter your pin. You see, it has come. So let's enter 1 and yes. Now we are done. We have made we have purchased the power. So we will receive message from Netco and both mobile money and the Netco office. So let's wait for the message. You see, this is the message from Netco that uh, that is my meter number credited with 2 cd. Here is the token number. In case if you have buy and the power did not come, you enter this token number or you send it to the Netco office or the office so that they will uh, issue it for you. So I think that's all. Please consider subscribing and share it to others. Thank you. Don't forget to like too also. Thank you very much.